The R sound is actually two sounds. It's a vowel sound represented by the letter A, and it's a voiced sound represented by the letter R. R. Your tongue is folded to the back of your mouth. R. It doesn't touch the roof of your mouth, but it's folded back. R. Repeat after me. Car. Car. Far. Far. Star. Star. Start. Start. R. R. Art. Art. Arc. Arc. Arch. Arch. Bar. Bar. Bark. Bark. Dark. Dark. Stark. Stark. Bard. Bard. Card. Card. Lard. Lard. Starred. Starred. Jarred. Jarred. Guard. Guard. Large. Large. Charge. Charge. Barn. Barn. Yarn. Yarn. Harm. Harm. Harmed. Harmed. Stars. Stars. Mars. Mars. Carve. Carve. Starve. Starve. Heart. Heart. Hearth. Hearth. Dart. Dart. Darth. Darth. Farm. Farm. Farmer. Farmer. Armor. Armor. Carver. Carver. Barf. Barf. Barge. Barge. Large. Large. Enlarge. Enlarge. Now you try it. Rewind the video and repeat after me.